Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Uzbekistan and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. While Uzbekistan has introduced some reforms in recent years, serious human rights concerns persist. The government continues to tightly control political expression, and critics of the state, including journalists, bloggers, activists, and members of banned religious groups, face surveillance, arbitrary detention, torture, and long prison sentences. Freedom of assembly and association is heavily restricted, and peaceful protesters are often detained or harassed by security forces. Human rights defenders and independent organizations operate under constant threat of closure or prosecution. Religious freedom is also tightly controlled. Muslims who practice outside of state-approved mosques, as well as Jehovah's Witnesses and Christians, have faced harassment, imprisonment, and accusations of extremism. Women and girls face domestic violence, forced marriage, and limited access to justice. Cultural stigma often prevents survivors from reporting abuse, and legal protections are weakly enforced. LGBT individuals face extreme discrimination and danger. Same-sex relationships between men are criminalized under Article 120 of the Uzbek Criminal Code and can lead to imprisonment. LGBT people experience police harassment, blackmail, and violence with no legal protection. Returnees who previously fled Uzbekistan due to political or religious persecution, or who applied for asylum abroad, may be viewed as traitors and subjected to detention, interrogation, or further harassment upon return. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.